Before going ahead and discussing about some new topic, uh, let me take some queries in the discussion forum. And as we mentioned in this discussion forum, that we would appreciate if the queries raised by one participant uh, can be answered by some other participant in this FTP. So we encourage that. So please go in details, try to explain each part. I'm doing that. Done quiz and assignment, pictures, photos regarding list of commands. We will provide some document to learn more about LaTeX. Thank you for assignment tire magical. So thank you. Uh, Introduction to file pictures in articles. So I have covered this part. uh, Assignment submission is not graded. We have mentioned it in the FAQ that it will not be displayed in the progress bar as graded, because we will do it manually and separately, so it will not be there. Staff graded assignment, it's there, please check it again. And glad to see that 8 people have responded to it, so maybe this question has been answered. Just I'm guessing it. How to decide different document types. I'm not able to get this question. uh, okay, clarification about make title. So make title is just to include uh, the part where we mention author name and other details. So if we want to include uh, that part in our main document, then we use that slash make title command. Okay, so thank you so much. uh, Social sciences, style in social sciences, yes. There are different styles available. I will try to collect that style names and will post it in our this site, so you can use it. PowerPoint tables, we have covered that. I'm confused about quiz of question of sign comment. Okay, so comment is percentage sign, and I can see 6 people have responded to it, so it must have been answered. Okay, so bibliography, this has been covered in this previous lecture. Utility in chemistry, yes, you can use it in chemistry. You can include some special packages for chemistry. Just Google it and you will find that. I cannot cover each and every aspect of LaTeX because it is very very vast, but I have tried to cover the basic concepts of LaTeX. You just practice it for just say a few weeks, then you can explore the advanced features of it. I will just send you people some documents about that and you can explore that. Okay, there were different questions which I just um, I I cannot find that, but there was a question about how to undo. Just use Control Z if you have uh, done some errors. So just like MS Word, use Control Z to go back to the previous uh, version of it. Okay, so there was a question about the security. So if you are using your username and password for entering into Olive, so just like your Gmail, it's secure if you don't share your password, or if your password is not hacked. And until then, this is secure, so you don't have to worry about this. uh, Font size and color, you can change the font size to 10, 11 and 12 points, but it is not recommended because whenever you use the document class of any journal, uh, that automatically sets the font size and color. So I don't think you should worry about font size and other things if you are using if you are using the document class for that. Okay, plagiarism is a separate thing. So LaTeX is just about preparing a document. For checking plagiarism, uh, you can use different softwares like Turnitin or Orkut. They are paid softwares. We will try to cover in the upcoming session about plagiarism, but it's different. There was a question about the offline version of LaTeX. So there are different softwares for LaTeX, like you can just Google it, LaTeX download. So mm, just download it, download any offline version of it, but the offline version which I use is CTEC. So CTEC is again LaTeX uh, software. The name is CTEC, so I think you can download from this link or this link. So SourceForge.net, and download it from this link and install it, and this will look like this. Okay, so you can, there are different options here. So there are different shortcuts. So like if you want to include anything like insert structure, so you can see section, subsection, subsection. If I click on this, the subsection will be automatically written. There are commands for equations, uh, objects, figures. So if I click on this, so this will be automatically written here. So this is good. You can use this CTEC. There are symbols and other things here, so you can explore it, the offline version. And yes, CTEC. Now you can download it from here, SourceForge.net. Okay, so I think I tried to cover few questions, but again I would recommend that the participants should answer the queries of other participants. There was some comment about the videos and audio. I'm sorry about that, but since it's a lockdown time and all the lectures are recorded at home, so it might appear that the quality of the video or audio could not be up to the mark, but I hope you can adjust with that, because we are not compromising with the content. And I hope I can see with these comments that you are liking this lecture. So you can also suggest if you want to know something special, but as I said, it's very difficult to cover the whole thing about LaTeX. So we can just give you idea about that, and I have just tried to cover the basic things about LaTeX, and I will also cover few more things about LaTeX in further lectures.